Okay guys, so I'm going to show you a quick fix. If you happen to have a key that if you shake it, you will hear something shaking inside of it and your car won't start. And that's because the chip in the key came loose and it's not in the right position. So when you're trying to start the car, the immobilizer is not going to recognize the chip, or it's not going to actually recognize you have a chip and the key won't start. For example, I have a Nissan Murano 2007 and you see that key light that's flashing. Okay, so if your chip is not properly being detected, when you're trying to start the car, this light will actually stay illuminated and your car won't start. So it's going to be basically like still when you're trying to turn the key and the car won't start, and it just keep cranking. Some cars don't crank at all, but the Murano itself keep cranking, it won't start. So basically what you got to do, you know, basically pried it open from the sides and got it out, and I noticed this little immobilizer sensor, or the chip for the key, this was like over here somewhere, it's bouncing around somewhere. So I glued it back together in the right position right here. So now that I put it back in the key and the light is gone. The light usually stay illuminated once I have it turned to the on position, and now we start. So that's a quick fix. I mean, dealer wanted about $200 for a new key, not happening. So yeah, there you go.